We then follow the leads of the broken fans all the way up to their connectors. The connectors are wrapped in shrink tubing and glued with silicone. We can cut away some of the silicone to clear up the connectors. Take note of the default cable management while unplugging the longer fan leads. We're going to feed the new fan leads following the same path to plug them into the same connectors. When inserting the new fans into the unit, make sure they're in the correct orientation. The arrow on the fan should point inside the PSU. Fans suck cold air inside the unit, which dissipates out the back vents as hot air.